What is up, guys? Jeez, that has been a pretty long time. I'm like a little sick. I don't know if you guys could tell by the voice. Um, Shit's been crazy. Bought the Top Step account, and like I said in probably the last video, blew it. So now we're back to paper trading, unfortunately. But I don't know, but we might have a special guest coming into this video. Just a good friend of mine. Um, he's also trying to get into day trading. He's pretty good, I'd say. And yeah, let's get back in to the trading. So I'm gonna try doing USD JPY, if I said that correctly. I hit a trade on it yesterday. As you can see, I've been kind of active on this account. Hit a trade on it yesterday, $176. And I lost 8 cents because I don't think I put in enough money. But it was that's unfortunate. But what can you do? That's there. Fly. Yeah. All right. Let's go. So right now we got a order block right here. Boom, order block. So that should, if I am correct, come down, retest, and shoot back up. Right now, that's not happening. So we got an order block there. We are go back. So yeah, we were in a pretty strong uptrend here, but I think it's gonna go down. So let's see. On the 4 hour right now. A small fair value gap there. Nothing like too apparent. Kind of see this inverse fair value gap here. You see it kind of came up, retested. And see if it comes up here, retest lower. Got another one here. I don't want to do too many, you know. So what could you do? Let's mark out our highs and lows. That's a low. And I'm just doing like apparent highs and lows and like the recent trend. So if I were to hit a trade today, let's just say like there, I would shoot for that high or somewhere in the middle here. Oops. But yeah, let me see if the audio's good. Should be good. Yeah, a whole bunch of stuff happening. My wife, nothing bad. Just applying to colleges, making these trades, and yeah, bro, it's kind of been just like a calm day. Right now, there's not much going on. It does seem like it wants to drop down. So, like I said, my friend, he does something with equilibrium. Me personally do not know how it works. So I'm just gonna like do it. Don't take this as like any type of advice. But that's equilibrium right there. I don't know. If he calls me and we start trading together on this video, I'll ask him and I'm sure he'll explain it. So in the hour, see another fair value gap here. Nothing kind of like crazy. Kind of just want to see if it shoots up and retest. It's like, let's say, like it drops from here, comes back up, drops like again, like somewhere here, and then comes back up again. Like, that seems possible. But yeah, in the hour, check my phone to see if he like texted me or anything like that. No, not yet. In the 5 minute right now, not really much going on. Trying to get better at order blocks. Cause I think if I trade with that, it's gonna be pretty apparent. Damn, S&P and Nasdaq kind of dumping right now. Everything seems like it's going down except gold. I don't know if I'm right, but is this an order block? Could be. Let's see if it retests there. Damn, pretty strong move up. Jeez. It's really moving. Could hit it up track. Damn, yeah, it's going up crazy. And you guys know I already love doing this. Just creating fake orders almost to see how much money I'd get. So if I put in 4,000, I make 100. It's the only bad part I don't really like about Forex. Just can't make as much money, I guess, in oil, which I used to do. We could still take a look at it though. We're gonna keep an eye on that candle. So oil again dumping. But I really want to focus on this right now. Because I'd say it's relatively volatile, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. Check what's happening with a Forex factor. So today the 6th. Euro, USD. JB. Damn, I was right. It did retest. I was right. Alright, that's good. More USD speaks. What does this mean? good for currency. Not much Japan news going on. Um, hmm. See what's happening again in like that hour, 4 hour stuff. Yeah, it's on a downtrend right now. We're gonna wait for a little bit more of a confirmation, just for like for me, for my peace of mind. I just want to see more of like a bearish candle right now. So like assuming it like comes down here, maybe enter up that trade. But like say like a 2-to-1. It's like top of here. Like boom. Let's see if it's hitting any lows. Yeah, it's, I'd say hitting a pretty, oh shit, wait, that was like, damn, wait, the day, oh shit, excuse me, alright, so that's just the day, blocks. Let's go back. Damn, I was right. It's gonna hit pretty low. Okay, let's see. It hits here. Set it higher up here, and then boom, 2-to-1 ratio. Just expand that there. I like how that looks. We're gonna see if it tests. I think it will. If anything, if it was a shitty trade and it does come down a little bit, I'll just take the profit I could get. So let's create a limit order. 100 something bucks. Oh, you're kidding me. I entered on this candle. Oh my god. Rookie mistake, I guess. Jeez. Wait, no. Whatever. Stupid mistake. There. Okay. I guess let's see. Boom. Like that. Oh jeez, I'm sorry. Ugh. So yeah, I haven't been on YouTube in a hot minute. But again, thank you for all the supporters, the subscribers. Even though I have like 60 something, those 64 people, I think. You know, you're supporting something that is really bigger than what it is at the face of it. You know, just trying to teach people, just trying to make. I'm not saying I'm rich, but I'm just trying to make millionaires, you know? And hopefully that'll happen. Yeah, I'm working on a Discord server right now with my friend, same guy that I was telling you about. And yeah, I'm just checking if he is going to be coming online. just send them the video of my trade, or like a picture. Of the trade that I'm in. So yeah, hopefully it's like there. Okay, so up 37. So as it makes the way down, I'm gonna see. I'm just gonna keep lowering the stop loss as it makes their way down. You know, hits break even, didn't lose anything, which is unfortunate, but it's part of the process. $45. It's going well. Let's see like if there's anything suspicious in the hour. Is there anything crazy? I think this was the start of the downtrend, so it might ride for a little bit, and then let's see what happens. So you can see it's kind of retesting here at this low. But I'm assuming with this trend of just red in all these New York indexes, or like New York based, like S&P, NASDAQ, stuff like that, the US dollar value is going to go down as the gold value goes up. If I am not mistaken. So yeah, now we're just kind of like letting it ride. We'll see what happens. I'm trying to think of like a story I could say, like kind of like, I don't know, entertain. Like, really just looking at the candles with like no commentary. It's kind of shitty content, but just trying to think. But yeah, trying to think. Oh, not that interesting of a story. So in my economics class, my AP economics or whatever, micro macro, um, my teacher was there, but she had like a meeting, so there was like a sub, right? This old lady, so it was like probably like a 20-minute meeting, and you know, my teacher cares about phones, but like doesn't, like as long as you're not like disrupting and just like actually like using it at like a valid time instead of like when she's teaching, using it like, on your own time, she doesn't really care. So the sub, she's like, "Oh, there's no phone policy when I'm here," and everybody's like, "Well, you're not even the teacher, right?" Like in their head. So people were just using their phones, me included. She didn't catch me though. Just keep that out there. So she just starts pointing at people. She's like, "Oh, I got you, right?" She's like, "I'm gonna let the teacher know that you guys are using your phones. First of all, That was a nice little drop. Is there any news? Like, why is it like? I ain't complaining. So, yeah, she was like, oh, I'm gonna tell the teacher. She's like, yeah, you guys are gonna get what you deserve. I'm like, whoa. So she tells the teacher when she comes back from her meeting. The teacher's like, okay, okay. And then she comes in. Then, the teacher's like, guys, I don't know what she was talking about. I didn't see it. I didn't hear it. So, no one's in trouble. Bro, then a kid's like, do you think they get paid enough if they snitch? Like a sub, right? Stupidest question. But teacher's like, I don't know, man. I don't know. Thank you for the story. I love how that's dropping right now. Let's check Discord. Let's just see. Another thing, guys, please follow my Instagram, Craigie Trades. It's I'll leave probably a link down below. Just drop it a follow. Kinda that's it. Jesus. Sorry, like choking. Beard is itchy. Guys mess with the beard. So yeah, I like this. I like this a lot. So let's delete this. Set up a inverse. Start moving this down about halfway, I'd say. Just for peace of mind, just keep that box up top here. Yeah, I like how that's dropping. First of all, that was a good drop, right? So I like that a lot. Maybe even break it down to equilibrium, possibly. Alright, let's just keep it here for now. If it drops a little more, it's going down to equilibrium. Let me know in the comments if I should have done it earlier. Dude, if you... This is gonna come off a little weird, maybe. If you feel the need to critique me, do it. Like, it's not that I don't care. Like, oh, he's critiquing me. I actually, like, do care. Like in, like a learning perspective. Like, there's 1,000%. I would bet so much money on it, because it's just true that there's people that are better traders than me. Let's just set it like here. That are better traders than me. So, might as well just learn from them, you know? First of all, first of all. What a sexy candle. I think it's gonna come out personally, like a little bit, possibly halfway. So let's just set a mark here, halfway. Let's give it the benefit of the doubt. High. Bring it up. Because let's check the recent trends. It comes down a shit ton. It goes up. And, I mean, is it kind of common sense? Yes. It comes down and goes up. Like, duh. But, like, it always comes up, like, halfway on a downtrend and then dumps again. So, maybe, if I'm doing this correctly, set up equilibrium right there. Nah, I don't even know. There's just like too many lines. Let's see what's happening in the minute. Haven't peeped this time frame in a minute. I don't, in a second, like, I don't know. Right now, we got like a fair value gap here in the minute time frame. Wait for that, maybe to retest. Possibly. I personally think it's going to keep going down. So, is it going to reject this fair value gap? So it didn't break through yet here. Probably will, but no, wait, no, yes, could probably go up, yeah. Let's go back to the 5 minute. Maybe I should have clicked sell. I don't know. We're gonna thug it out though. We still have $66 profit if we do fail this trade. Unfortunate, didn't get the full 200, but you know, profit's profit. Not as much as I wanted it to be, but what can you do? So yeah, seems like something's going on here. It keeps hitting and comes down. Check the minute again. Whoa. Is this an order block, or am I just stupid? Probably am just stupid. But it is kind of where I marked the line out. That's the funny thing. Relatively. Like, the line I marked was like right at the bottom of this stick. Bless you. Just watch the minute. It's more action. So yeah, it's gonna keep dropping. I'm surprised. Fair value gap here. It's gonna retest. Whoops. A lot of boxes, but if you know, yeah. Oh, it does seem like it's retesting. Is it gonna negate it though? now it doesn't seem like it is. It's pretty big. Still $157 profit right now, or unrealized. Just checking Discord and all that. Just make sure you don't message me or anything like that. Again, was I onto something with this line? And so it did retest this fair value gap. Should I just take the profit? I don't know. This is the tricky part right now. I'm just trying to figure out. Just keep watching it. Let's keep watching it. Let's see. It's probably gonna go up, yeah. So you could retest that fair value gap again. Which right now, it seems like it's kind of respecting it. But, no. But we have to see if it closes. If it closes in, it is respected. It doesn't, it disrespects the fair value gap. keep watching it go down. Let's see. Let's see. Again, I don't think it's gonna pass this right here. I don't think it's gonna pass it. I mean, if the stars align, oh shit, I have my magnet on. So it seems like it's respecting the previous fair value gap. Yeah, it's gonna. This candle keeps acting bullish. It's gonna negate its effect, the fair value gap's effect. Still thugging it out though. I need that candle to close above or under it. Not preferred, but let's go into the 5 minute. Damn, it did take a juicy drop. Let's see what happened again. Getting back into that fair value gap. Let's see. So right now, everything seems to be like obeying the laws of this one fair value gap. Um, just kind of trippy, you know? Like, just set one thing, all of a sudden everything just, like, respects its rules. They're gonna disrespect this. Yeah, seems like it. The dollar falls. Oh, I closed out of trading view. Whoops, guys. Sorry for that. Why isn't it letting me go back onto the chart? What the flip? There. Let's see. Oh, my neck, bro. Oh, shit. Why did it jump up like that? Damn. Marshawn Newland, Cowboys defense. Cowboys fan, but they passed away. Rest in peace to his family, or not to his family. I mean, condolences to his family. Rest in peace to him. Yeah, that sucks. Hmm. See what the hour time frame holds. So it still shows it's in a downtrend in the hour. I need that candle to shit on everything right now. You could do it. I believe in you. You could do it. Let's go. Oh, no. Be a good candle. Be a good candle, please. Be a good candle. Yes. Yes. $25 more seconds. Next 1 minute candle opens. And we'll see if it follows the minute downtrend. 15 seconds. Retaliating against the downtrend in the minute. Okay. We are up $140 right now. One more candle to close out the 5 minute. I might change the take profit 245 probably. Back is like, there we go. Hopefully it keeps going down. It doesn't. I was gonna say it doesn't seem like it, but I mean, could be wrong. Sorry for the shitty commentary. I don't like. At this point, it's kind of just like a waiting game, you know. Check in. How long is this video? 51 minutes. Not bad, not bad. Check the 5 minute again. Honestly, let's check the 50 minute. It's pretty good, pretty good. We are back down. See, it keeps touching that fair value gap. At this point, I don't know if it's valid or not. It goes down and it retests. I'm like, jeez. Like this candle here. Trying to change like the color of this, but like this candle here, like it retested here, and then it came back up. and down for me. Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah. What jeez, went down. I noticed it's sweeping its lows. 1 low, 2 low, 3 low, 4 low. All of it is getting swept. So I want to see if it breaks this low here. That low there. See if that breaks. I needed to close under there. Perfect. Perfect. Bang! 200. Oh my god, bro. There's no way. So unfortunate. But we hit our, we literally hit our take profit. Stuck through it, $252 right there. It was a long one. It was a battle. But happy we did it. Let's go, guys. I'm actually happy about that. Gotta take a picture for the Instagram. Right in there. Balance. I want to show this is pretty much what I'm just gonna take a screenshot on my phone later. But yeah, that's pretty much what I do on my Instagram. I post my trades. So yeah, let's see if there's any trade I could do, or if not, I'm just gonna call it a day. Damn, New York session has been dumping everywhere. Probably hit like a short here, Thank you. Yeah, I'm not gonna do it. Just wanted to see. But yeah, I guess that's gonna be the video, guys. I have plans for a little later, and I have to get ready like pretty soon. So I'm gonna call it there. Let's go back here. That was a great trade. Unfortunately, couldn't hit that low, this low here. Unfortunately, um, might hit another trade off screen. Follow the Instagram. That's what I usually post. Off screen trades and on screen trades. So if you want to stay updated, follow the Instagram. And yeah, have a great day. Stay blessed.